Yo, on my last video, when I showed you, which was my Goblin Slayers episode 11 reaction, after the show ended, when I show you guys my Sonic X complete series on DVD, right when the show ends, I decided to look at it for a little bit, and I decided to make a little bit of unboxing video of it. So yeah. Because turned out it's the complete series, but 2 different collections. And my friend gave it to me a week ago while he's at the convention last weekend. So yeah. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. So this right here, you got Collection 1, Collection 1, which contains Seasons 1 and 2, Episodes 1 through 52, and down right there on the bottom is the New World and Sonic Adventure Saga. On the front cover, you got Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, and Shadow. On the left, you got the title of the show and the name of the DVDs, name of that DVD collection too. And on the right, it's the same thing from the left side, and on the back, you got the characters from the front, but scenes from different episodes. So let's see what it looks like at the inside. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So disc 1, you got Sonic. Disc 2, you got Tails. Disc 3, you got Knuckles. Disc 4, you got Amy. Disc 5, you got Chris. Disc 6, you got Shadow. Disc 7, you got Rouge. And Disc 8, you got Dr. Eggman. So that's Collection 1. In Collection 2, it contains Season 3 and Episodes 53 through 78. And you got the Matrix Saga. And on the front, you got Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, Dr. Eggman, Cosmo, and Dark Oak. And on the left, you got the logo and the title of the DVDs. Same thing with the right side. And on the back, you got the characters. You got the same characters from the front, except they didn't put Dr. Eggman and Dark Oak, but scenes from the episodes as well on the back. Let's see those on the inside. Sorry about that. So disc 1, you got Cosmo. And disc 2, you got Black Rhinoceros. And disc 3, you got Pale Bayleaf. And disc 4, you got Dark Oak. So yeah. Anyway, I cannot wait to rewatch this bad boy again. But it's gonna be later in the future, cause I used to love Sonic X. I used to love Sonic X when I was back in middle school / high school. And it turned out it's still a good show, but when you get older, you just realize it's still a bit of annoying sometimes. So yeah. But on the inside, it's still a good show though. It's still a good show. So yeah. And also, I do want to thank my friend for buying these for me. I appreciate him. So, yeah. Hold on a second. Much better. Because eventually, when he saw these at the convention, he called me and said, "Do I want these?" And I said, "Sure, why not?" Because I know that later in the future, they're going to remove Sonic X on the internet soon, and Hulu as well. Which I didn't even pay attention to it on Hulu somehow. Because I just don't know why though, so yeah. But, oh well though. But at least it got me to, yeah, because I know that kids watches Hulu nowadays, sorry about that. And it turned out Sonic X has some adult scenes on the Japanese version, so yeah. So they're going to move it eventually later in the future, though, so yeah. But Sonic X is still way better than Sonic Boom, so fuck Sonic Boom. Fuck Sonic Boom, because Boom is cancer. They really mess up the characters big time. So yeah. But anyway, I'm going to watch this bad boy again later in the future. And also, I just remembered something. I'm glad he got me the complete series, but two separate collection, because getting it separate is gonna cost like over $200, and I'm not gonna pay that much for that shit. So yeah. And when my friend found these at the convention last weekend, he got a good deal out of it, and so yeah, I was like, sure, why not? I'll get them. Sure, why not? I want them, so yeah. But anyway, guys, this has been Brandon X2, aka DJ Brandon Game Prince, and I'll catch you guys tonight, later on tonight, on the stream, either on Twitch or YouTube. Either stream Spider-Man on Twitch or on YouTube, Kingdom Hearts 2 Final Mix, or Crash Bandicoot 2 Cortex Strikes Back. So, until then, guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.